Give me all you've got. If you're prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, you are going to learn how to become a landlord in Dubai with as low as $136 worldwide. The most advantage of this is that it is worldwide. Are you from Europe? Are you from Asia? Are you from Africa? Are you from America, USA? Anywhere you are from this part of this world, you will have access to becoming a landlord. You become a landlord. You see, the most beautiful part of this is that you don't need to build a house. You don't need to own your own house. You know, to build a house is very costly. To to become a real estate business owner is very, very costly. You need to have millions of dollars or up to billions of dollars. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can become a landlord with as low as $136. Imagine. This is very, very interesting for those that are broke. If you have $1,000, out of that $1,000, if you just invest $136 from that $1,000, it will not take you anything. You have secured your future. If you're a civil servant or employee in a company, you know that one day you will retire. All the salaries you have been collecting, if you invest just $136, you have secured your children's future. You have secured your future also. You can also invest, you can also create account for your children, even if they are not up to 18 years. You can create it for their own future. Okay? Some children will grow up and they have talent, but they don't have the money to live up to their talent. But if an investment we are made on their head, that will improve their lifestyle. Okay? Being financially free will put you, on a state of freedom, like on a state of you become free to move, to do things you want to do, to go to places you want to go. Okay, so this is a good opportunity for you to change your life. So the biggest question now is how can I become a landlord in a foreign land? Not talking of building a house. Like, I don't even have money to build a house. I don't have money to buy land. Then what am I saying? How possible? It is possible. In this video, it is possible. It is possible through what we call pooled real estate investment, where millions of people come together and contribute small amount of money in order to make sure that properties are bought and sold, and then profits are made in the process. So you, as an investor, you are just required to invest as low as $136. That is 500 dirham. Okay, let me take you to the site. You see, some people will be greedy, like they will be like, let me go the site and register immediately. That is not the way forward. You see, we are living in a world of both good and bad. What you need to do is to understand that there are scammers out there, there are hackers, there are people that clone site. The way the site is, as you are seeing it, the same alphabet, the same wording, but it is a fake site. They use sophisticated technology to do that. So in order to avoid investing your money to the hand of the scammer, all you need to do is to check down the description of this video. You will see the link with the title Invest in Dubai Today. Once you see Invest in Dubai Today, you will see the link. Make sure you register with that link. Okay, before I continue, let me play a video for you so that you understand the power of real estate investment. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay?
You want to invest in property? What's stopping you? Large down payments, mountains of paperwork, tenants to manage? But if 90% of the world's millionaires built their fortunes through real estate, so can you. Backed by over 20 years' experience leading the biggest property developers in Dubai, Stake was set up to empower everyone to own and build wealth through real estate. We start by sourcing the best properties with the highest investment potential and break them down into smaller fractions, allowing you to invest as much or as little as you like, all from the comfort of your phone. The rest is on us. The paperwork, the property maintenance, making sure it's always rented, all of it. So how will you make money? You'll receive rental income every month. Then there's capital appreciation. Watch your investment grow as the property value appreciates. True passive income. That's Stake. Invest today and build that life you're after. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll get there.
You see it. Everybody that really want to enjoy life have to plan for it. You know, the difference between the poor and the rich is behavior. A poor person wants to spend all his money now. He don't want to invest some percentage. Like somebody with a poverty mindset, like somebody with a poor mentality, will like to spend everything now. He or she doesn't plan for the future. But somebody that have a wealthy mentality or a wealth-driven mentality, somebody that plan for the future will always invest some percentage of his salary or his income in something that is real and legit, in something that is sustainable, in something that can never fail. You see, real estate can never fail. It doesn't depreciate. Real estate does not depreciate, it appreciates. Let me show you why. As time goes on, the population on earth increases. Everybody wants to have a land for, let's say, residential purpose, for commercial purpose, for industrial purpose, for agricultural purpose. Everybody wants a place to sleep. Everybody wants a place to live in case there is rain, in case there is bad weather condition. Just everybody wants to have a house. It appreciates. It is an increasing function of time. Let me show you why. Okay, for instance, you'll be asking yourself, my father did not invest in real estate. My forefather did not invest in real estate. Then investing now will be too late. Who tell you? This is not Bitcoin. This is not gold. This is not Forex asset that goes up and goes down. This is not volatility indices that goes up and goes down. This is one-sided asset. It's a function. It's an increasing function of time. The profit, the equity growth does not fluctuate. It goes up. It doesn't fluctuate up and down. It's a one-sided wave event that appreciates over and over. Depending on where you enter, anywhere you enter, you will see positive profit. Anywhere you enter, you see profit. Even if you enter in the next 100 years to come, your upcoming generations, once they invest in real estate, they make their own profit. There's nothing like loss in real estate. What will prevent you from signing up right now? Check down the description of this video. Sign up. Maybe in future I will be doing video about how to register, because some people, they want to see everything before they believe that this is going to be possible. See, don't allow somebody to feed you. Feed yourself. Go and do more research after registering with this company. Go and do more research. You can go down here. You see where they say under here, you see learn more. Then under learn more, you will see facts, frequently asked questions. You can go and learn more how this works. Okay, now let me open your eyes. Most times some people are confused about, like, what will be the return if I invest, and then you'll be hearing something like the annual yield is 7%. In real estate, 1% is much more bigger than 200% in forex market. Are you getting me? Because we are talking about, but let me not too exaggerate. Forex is something entirely different. When it comes to capitalization, forex is the biggest financial market in the whole world. Yes, but real estate, like when it comes to real estate, when we say 1% yield is a big amount, because we are dealing with trillions of dollars of revenue from real estate. Then when it is broken down to your own quotas, it is still big. Infinity is infinity. If you remove infinity from infinity, is infinity. Anything you remove from infinity is infinity. So when you see those small percentage, don't play with it. So that's why you need to keep learning. At this time, don't be distracted. Just invest. An investor does not make a mistake, because somebody that casts his seed on the soil will receive multiple fruits when the time comes. So remember, this is not volatile. It's not something that goes up and go down. One direction. All you need to do is to do something, take action. Okay? The poor person will not take action, but somebody with poor mentality will not take action, but somebody with wealthy mentality will take action. So try to categorize yourself into having a wealthy mentality. Try to be among those that have wealthy mentality. You see, I don't want to be going deep into this, but in future I'll be doing some videos about how to actually register for those that are waiting to see how to register, how to, how everything work. Like, is it possible to actually get, profit here? It is already clear it's possible. You can read more about this here. Once you register with my link, can go ahead and research more. You see, if you go to Trustpilot, you can see that they have 5-star and excellent, about 98 review. People are doing business here. Okay, you really need to do something. Imagine, you really need to do something here. You really need to invest today. Okay, with as low as $136 or 500 dirham, your life will change. Your life will change drastically. Okay, your life will change drastically. This is great. This is great place. This is great place to start making money. Okay, they even have calculator. You can use their calculator. You see, if you invest certain amount, you see how much are you going to be making, the yield. You see, it's matter of time. If you are going to retire in the next 30 years, you can invest in Dubai through this platform and change your life. Okay, this is legit. There is no fake here. This is legit. Take action today. Register with the link and start doing something. Do more research to know how you are going to make most of this opportunity. Okay? Thank you and bye for now.
If you're prepared to break the silence.